Mama wakwaba meeting ede adjoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ora Odike ede ensem bi atudwa na one Kofi TV ene yesa interview no na ede ensem ena ora Odike e ka ne nsem okay na ne say Kumase is dead because say no bibia nkoso wo Kumase bio. Companies akese wo Kumase, business akese wo Kumase, sisi obia a movie aba Accra, sisi do Kumase kakra nkra bibia ebeye pasa e wo ho ntia ese mpanifo no omo ehwe ho na e wonsem a Odike ede ebeto dwe Ghana fo bi nso ede omo reply ama no na busanfo me ka senche ne tie nsem a Odike ede ebeto dwa na Ghana fo bi e kire se ensem a Odike e ka no e wo me se eyampa but nipa odinkan ede saa idea anase saa botai no eba ye be hye nkrofo a omutu saa namo no eye oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama because odi Dumsor buy for 5 good years no e man enyama bebre ye basa enti no enye bibia Dumsor nti abusanfo yenti ensem Odike ede to dwane meti ensem Ghana fo so aka ede achire
so far there Kumase El Ashanti region is dead bibia no and Guinness mu nyina fi Kumase Coca-Cola mu nyina fi Kumase and human now or jute factory, shoe factory, so many factories. One nema Kumasi Sikabauno, Umina Ejai. We need a total overhaul. That is here a different mindset to lead this country. Yeah, said that also we are joking.
I was for you didn't come up. I wouldn't say interviews there. Yeah, the same common one. Na era Odike. Minim say we're 12 Kumasi. Oba friend na je na wa he o maybe oba kire so onam bia na je se enkran no nam menim se etwa na su no na aka no ama ontimi nko bie mu se Kumase na afono no se enkran na abaye ne de o se den o aje dike yam akwa ba
me ya Kofi na ho te se
ya me ado
ya da bia na de wa so che Kofi ya brei Kofi Misrawo se bibi ko ya famesha baabi o
oh adai pobre
na de okure mu aye na de umu Kofi
system mu aye den
ebusuafo ensem we na Odike ede atudwane yenti ensem Ghana fo bi nso aka ede ache we eye Michael Owusu Bonsu na o kire say Kumase died when John Dramani Mahama introduced Dumsor to Ghana for 5 years. That was the period several companies relocated to the neighboring countries. It didn't digest recently if Odike will be truthful to himself, and the great magazine became a ghost industrial area. In the same way, Ghana fo bi aka ede achre Odike e wabra ode ninsem etuyano.
No mu nim de ehase. No mu nim de ehye Ameri na se. Afa ya papa Boachi agya akonom ko mu se yen kope kwan a yedi betwam a yesi betwam ne yen hwe. Enti Mahama de bia ne ntokwa a wokono eye faketo abeje kese. Temaport also per 7 billion. And then ubetia more than 27 million. Sorry, 27 billion. 27 billion. You go for 7 billion, and if you want to cancel the deal, we have to pay 27 billion. And then Temaport, what the Niama for want to mean? Ghana for you if he say, will be the cost shares, some deal, no, I can sign it, and I am ya. Our port and operators who they say. Adiana Sabi, President Kufuor beton ye one sign. Udie. Ya papa tamres ba ye one sign because ya then na wo ka kire me say wo be fa me Temaport. Na wo wi a enipa kura be ye adwuma wo ho no wo na wo kɔ fa omodi omo aba. Meaning say me Ghana fo ye adwuma wo port bebre beba betena fie. Na ye nim sika sabe ye nim aduro sabe ye nim dia ye de ye John Dramani Mahama nko a wono nko ba ye wo tumi kwagitum na say na ya be se Ghana fo mo de mo nko so na mo nge e na kufu adu am men mo ayede mo be brebia se Mahama ba Adia from Kufuor time, you're maintaining no at 30%. No, John Dramani Mahama sign no, from 30%, we were only getting 15%. 15%. 15%. Sister Linda, when I finish, I will give you a call. Why? Number now, me demand on a political zone number now, but I wanted you to send a message on it. Now come to me the personal number amount. Why? Don't worry. Thank you too. And then temaport who yi ka ne boye den. Ghana for kura binimu kura ni mu set temaport no sebe Mahama e de akogye awowa. Enti yen control obio. Obi nim. Wo bet na so na person wo bie Ghana for ani no motia no mo aba ejimi for e na what asekufu adodan. What asekufu adodan. Godfrey Dami ya. Godfrey Dami tie ya mu hu ni ya. Sa 15% no. Wa fight ya mende ya je back 30%. Ye ni ska ye di betua enti ese papa no oda so a MLK Ghana. Such a man gets you such deals. Odie fane say MPP for crap na e kan dia IMF kan also so e dia na wo kan fa ho. Odie fane say dia MPP for kan no e ye tra. What of what the IMF said? And the IMF was clear. So most of contract you have done Mahama nena buying best signing, you know, it didn't help us. Yes, send it to the political zone page. There's a political zone. No, in WhatsApp. Mr. Linda, do it WhatsApp. +1 647 559 2317. Into +1, baby, I will be on +1 647 559 2317. So we are. We'll send him Beba, and then I'll talk to you with that. But hey, on the real, we sit down and we forget the things here. John Dramani Mahama and then Abain Beye, and we rubbish everything that the Kufuor has been able to do so far. Anyways, Makasa almost an hour. Maybe 30 minutes. See, run it through the reason why we came here. I want to show this data, if it is possible. The patron radio. Ghana, your GDP growth, and then who are dear when I'm say, hey, and why do people vote against NPP? Salinda, why do people vote against NPP? Shadio, a free 1960. Ghana for your dear who share or man who say, yeah, my economic, you know, Shadio. Ghana GDP averagely 16.77 USD billion from 1960, sister, until 2022. Reaching an all-time high of 79.16 billion American dollars. This is in 2021. And a record low